Energy. It's all around us. You can see it, feel it, and even hear it. Some of it we cannot sense, but it affects us nonetheless. This energy drives Earth's complex systems, and all of this energy ultimately comes from the sun. Satellites can measure how different types of energy are absorbed by components of the planet and released back into space. By merging different combinations of these measurements, a picture of Earth can be formed. This view of Earth, commonly called the blue marble, is just that, a picture created by coloring different data layers. Since clouds, land, and water absorb energy differently, we can color them differently. Blue for ocean, green for land, white for cloud. Color helps us identify features and patterns that are sometimes hard to see. Now, instead of coloring the Earth based on surface type, we'll color it based on the temperature of the land's surface. The satellite sensors are acting like a thermometer. They can sense how much heat energy is given off by the surface. Some parts of the planet are cold, some are hot. We use color to distinguish between temperatures, just as lines are used on a thermometer. In this case, blue is cold, red is warm, and yellow is hot. Looking at this map, where are the hottest places on the planet? Areas near the equator. As we look at a year of land surface temperature data, notice how the patterns of hot and cold change a lot in some places on the planet, but very little in others. Which areas have the greatest change in temperature over the course of the year? Middle latitudes have the greatest change in temperature. Not only does land surface temperature change with the seasons of the year, the ocean surface temperature can also be measured by satellites and colored based on how warm it is. Yellow is hot, red is warm, blues are cold. Can you see any similar patterns between land and ocean temperature? Equatorial regions stay warm year-round. High latitudes stay cool year-round. Mid-latitudes change a lot in temperature. Other processes on the planet are connected to these temperatures as well. Here we're looking at how much rain falls around the world in 1 month. Some parts of the world receive much more rainfall than others. Which areas receive the most rainfall? Whereas warm and cold deserts do not receive much rain, tropical areas do. What goes up must come down, right? And the areas where it comes down hardest are often associated with where more moisture goes up into the atmosphere. How does ocean temperature affect rainfall? warmer water creates more evaporation and more rainfall. Can you see this connection? Discovering and understanding such connections between Earth's complex systems is a goal of the GLOBE network of thousands of schools around the world. GLOBE classrooms take millions of measurements each year. Students share this data to conduct real science. Making discoveries and improving our knowledge about Earth, our living planet.